Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing another Abella Eyewear unboxing. I know I just recently posted, but I received some more sunglasses, you guys. I went ahead and had to order some more because, listen, I was pleased with the quality, pleased with the style and everything. So I was like, wait, I need more glasses. I saw some other pairs that I really did like. So I went ahead and ordered 2 more pairs of sunglasses. Check out my first unboxing. I ordered 4 pair that time. So yeah, I was super just excited about it. And when I saw it, I was like, yeah, these are super cute. Love it. Had to get more. So if you are interested in the sunglasses that I got this time, make sure you keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe down below before you leave. And let's go ahead and get into this box. I'm so excited. So basically, the last time I did an unboxing for Abella, I got 2 pair of the same glasses. I believe they were in the style Everlay, and I got the red ones and the black ones. And then I went ahead and got the last colorway, I believe, if I'm not mistaken. So you open up the box and it has a little bit of stuffing in there. Well, it's just paper, and the glasses come wrapped in plastic and then inside of this box right here. But this one actually just came in a little case, so that's cool. I guess that's why they put the paper in there, because they didn't put the paper in there the last time, but all 4 of my sunglasses the last time came inside of this really heavy duty box. So I guess since this one is kind of just like in a regular case, they put a little bit of paper in there. But anyway, let's go ahead and get into the first pair. Like you remember, if you saw my last video, they have Abella there on the front, and then also right here. And then the sunglasses come inside of a little dust bag in here. I really wanted to do another unboxing video for them. I wanted to be a little bit more in depth. Ooh, these are my white ones, you guys. I wanted to talk a little bit more in depth because the company was really new to me the last time, and I just found them on Instagram and signed up for their ambassador program. Like, I applied to be one of their brand ambassadors. So I was just, you know, waiting. Ooh, my dread's in the way. I was just waiting to hear back from them. And when I finally got accepted, I was just like, oh, okay, cool. And I was just kind of talking about it, and I was really excited. I want to see what the quality was like. But after that, I actually did some research. Like, well, I did research before that, but just watching people's videos and like seeing what people were saying about Abella Eyewear. And there were a lot of mixed reviews. Like, some people have done unboxings, some people have talked about it on their Instagrams and everything, but it was a lot of mixed reviews. Some people said they loved it, some people said they hated it, some people said the shipping took really long. Some people said the quality was really bad, and I'm just like, okay, complete opposite for me. So then I was looking at when they actually posted this content, because a lot of it was from a while back. So I'm pretty sure the company probably worked on some of the kinks and got their lives together, I guess. I don't know. But the quality is pretty decent. These feel a little bit like of lower quality than the ones that I got previously, but nonetheless, I mean, I can't see them. Let me get my mirror. Oh, these are cute. Y'all, these are cute, and it looks good with my lipstick. So I got these for a specific outfit. So yes, glad they look good. But yeah, I mean, the quality is pretty decent. It's not bad. The ones that I got last time feel a little bit more sturdy than these. These feel a little plasticky, but they are plastic. It's not that bad. I will have the name of the glasses across the screen for you guys, and I will also have my discount code across the screen for you guys as well. My discount code is IAmKNicole, so use code IAmKNicole at checkout. I really like these, and they all say Abella in the corner of the left lens. I like these. I really wanted some white sunglasses because I had a certain outfit that I needed some white sunglasses for, so that's why I did that. But yeah, I really think the brand is pretty good, and my shipping was super quick both times. Like, I did not have to wait long for these sunglasses at all, so definitely, if you are coming to this video to try to figure out if you should apply for the brand ambassador program or is the brand a scam or whatever, it's not a scam. This is my this is my second time, you know, filming content for the brand, but I actually at this moment right now have not posted my first unboxing. That's supposed to go up today, so I'm gonna post it. I haven't, you know, put it out there yet to my social media, so I have not received any of my commissions or anything. So if you do decide to support me, I will get a small commission if you do enter my discount code at checkout. So yeah, I mean, I will keep you guys posted about it. I think it's a great program for small influencers like myself to kind of get used to, you know, trying to promote products that we believe in. Like, if this was a scam, I was not gonna tell you guys anything good about it, you know what I mean? I would probably share the experience of it being a scam, of course, but I would not be promoting it to you guys and telling you to purchase from them if it was a scam. So yeah, I just wanted to make that clear because in my last video I really did not go into depth about that, but as I was continuing to research and seeing people posting about it, it was always a question of like, the shipping, did it take forever? How's the customer service? I haven't had to do anything with the customer service because my packages came right away. So I like the brand. They have some cute styles of sunglasses. If you use my discount code, go ahead and do that. Save a little bit of money and get you some cute sunglasses. So this one actually comes in a black case like this, which is different from anything that I had got in my previous package, so that's new. These are some clear pink sunglasses. I'm pretty sure these are the Everlays, you guys. Like, I'm pretty sure I just went ahead and ordered the Everlays in the clear pink ones, which they are. They're also wrapped in plastic here, so I'm just taking the plastic off. I really wanted to get the pink ones because I love the red ones, love the black ones, and the only other color that they had was pink. And I was just like, girl, you know how you feel about pink at this moment, so you might as well go ahead and get them. And they're clear. The other ones are not super duper clear, especially the black ones. Those are more of like sunglasses. The red ones were a little bit lighter, but these are like really, really clear. Oh my gosh, you guys, I love these. They're so cute. Like, they're so cute. Come on, like, they're so cute. I freaking love these. I feel like I could wear these every day. Like, these would be everyday sunglasses. They're not really that protecting from the sun because they're a little clear, but I feel like I could wear these every day. I feel like I would be able to get a lot of use out of these. So yeah, I'm actually about to put these white ones on again, try to get a nice little thumbnail or whatever. So my review of the brand, honestly, I really do like them, like I said, and the shipping is really fast. Products are cute and on trend, so they have a lot of trending pieces on that website. So make sure you check out Abella Eyewear and see what you like. Let's put the white ones back on, get a little thumbnail going. I just feel like these I can't put on correctly with my dress because I keep thinking I'm gonna get them stuck. Ooh. And then I got all this makeup on, so I keep getting makeup on the inside of the nose part of these, and they're white, so you know how you can always see that. So I just made sure to clean that off really quickly. One thing that is different with these, I had a couple of the last pair come with a lens cloth inside. These did not come with the lens cloth inside, but I don't think every single pair that I got the last time came with the lens cloth, so maybe that's completely normal. But yeah, I think, you know, this is cool to throw in your purse. You know, just make sure that it's not getting tossed around too much because this is like not completely protecting as much as this hard case would in your purse. Like, if I threw this in my purse, I knew I would be good. My sunglasses are not gonna get crushed or messed up or anything. I would be a little bit more nervous with this, but that's the only thing, you guys. Other than that, everything seems to be pretty consistent between my first order and this order. That's really why I wanted to order twice, because I'm like, okay, the first one was great, everything looked good, let me go ahead and order again, see what happens, see if anything changes, which it did with this one. Overall, my review is great. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you decide to head over to Abella and make some purchases. Make sure you use my discount code so you can save a little bit of money. I will have everything linked down below for you guys so that you can check it out. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. If you made it to the end of this video, leave me this emoji. I'm gonna put it on the screen. I want a sunglass emoji, but it's a sunglass video, so I mean, that's kind of cliche, right? Leave this emoji in the comments. Don't tell people why. It's our little secret.